perspective. None of these matters. Zoom out. Common ground. And that's the earth. Look at that. It's really a matter of perspective. Like, this is, I think this is the message as well in here. Like, it matters. This is like, none of this matters. I would say, if overthinking in such a way, let's say for example, like, sometimes even personally, like, oh, and that's 21, oh my goodness, speaking of the world, that's 3 as well. None of this matters, meaning, say for example, overthinking. Like, if you really spend some, say for example, let's say overthinking, and then later on, once you just zoom out, like, you know, stop the overthinking for a while and just really see it. You can see the bigger picture of things, the reason why things are happening in such way. Child of the Cosmos. It's the other card. It's beautiful. That's 222. Child of the Cosmos. The intelligence of the universe lies within you. Yes. And that's really like, look at that. It's speaking of that downloads, that messages that you're getting. And that's 20 to 22. We talk about that angel number. And you are getting direct downloads from the cosmos. The more that you tune in with nature, the more that you tune in with the stars, the planets, the more that you will realize that you are one. We are one with them. We are not really separate. Well, in the physical, yes, but the universe is within us as well. It's not just out there. We are part of that, and that's 25. Okay, we got that one already. Wow, this one is so beautiful. All paths lead home. Inner authority, intuition, turn your gaze within. Yes, I think this is just really an additional message. Really, if you need answer of a specific question at this really point of time, the answer is not out there. People can give you some advice, which also comes from their own perspective and experience. So the true answer is really within you. That still small voice of God within you. Your soul's guidance.